Welcome to our discussion on what is strategy and why does it matter. Today, we'll explore the essence of strategy in operations management and its critical role in achieving organizational success. Consider two coffee shops. Cafe A, with $7 lattes and loyal customers, thrives on strategy. Meanwhile, Cafe B, a generic chain, struggles despite lower prices. Both offer the same product, yet Cafe A's strategic approach creates a distinct, successful outcome. This highlights the critical role of strategy in operations. Competitiveness is about maintaining or increasing market share. It hinges on price, quality, and responsiveness. Can you offer value at a price customers will pay? Does your product meet expectations? Can you deliver quickly and reliably? Stevenson emphasizes that firms compete on these dimensions, and operations must support your chosen focus. Walmart's strategy hierarchy starts with its mission: save money, live better. Their goal is to be the lowest cost retailer globally. They achieve this through cost leadership by enhancing supply chain efficiency. Tactics include cross-docking, vendor-managed inventory, and radio frequency identification, supported by operations like distribution centers and logistics. Operations strategy can take many forms. Low cost focuses on minimizing expenses, seen in Spirit Airlines. Scale-based strategies like McDonald's leverage high volume. Specialization targets niche expertise, as with Rolls-Royce. Newness emphasizes innovation, exemplified by Tesla. Flexibility, quality, service, and sustainability are other key strategies, each offering unique competitive advantages. Core competencies are unique strengths that provide a sustainable competitive advantage. For Amazon, it's logistics and fulfillment technology. Apple excels in product design and ecosystem integration. Toyota leads with lean manufacturing and continuous improvement. FedEx is renowned for reliability and package tracking systems. These competencies are difficult for competitors to imitate, ensuring long-term success. Order winners are factors that differentiate a product or service, driving customer choice. Order qualifiers are basic criteria that must be met for a product to be considered. Understanding these helps businesses align operation strategy with market demands, ensuring competitiveness and customer satisfaction. In New York City grocery delivery, food safety is an order qualifier, essential but not a differentiator. Delivery within an hour is an order winner, setting Instacart apart. Competitive pricing is crucial, staying within 10% of store prices. Real-time tracking wins trust, while product selection varies. A winner for families, a qualifier for quick meal shoppers. Welcome, everyone. Today, we'll explore the 4 perspectives on operations strategy, a crucial aspect of business success. Understanding these perspectives helps organizations align their operations with strategic goals, ensuring efficiency and competitive advantage. The strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats framework is crucial for strategy formulation. Strengths like brand recognition and a skilled workforce provide advantages. Weaknesses, such as high costs, pose challenges. Opportunities arise from market growth and new technologies, while threats include economic downturns and supply chain disruptions. Understanding these elements helps shape effective operation strategies. Netflix's operation strategy evolved from DVD by mail with fast delivery and no late fees, to streaming with a focus on flexibility. By 2013, exclusive content like House of Cards became key, leveraging data-driven production. Today, Netflix's global expansion relies on localized content and distribution across 190+ countries. Competitiveness hinges on price, quality, and responsiveness. Your operations must align with your chosen focus. Strategy flows from mission to operations, ensuring every decision supports your core mission. Recognize core competencies. A strategy based on false strengths will fail. Order qualifiers get you in the game, but order winners secure the business. Strategy is shaped from multiple directions, not just top-down. Consider a company you know well. Identify its primary competitive strategy: cost leadership, differentiation, or response. Provide evidence. Determine one order winner and one order qualifier, explaining your choices. Has the strategy evolved due to market pressure, operational capability, or leadership decisions? Share your insights on Brightspace and engage with a classmate's post.